Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 61. Let's start. Alright. Looking pretty easy for now. Let's maybe try there or there. Alright. Okay. Maybe there. Alright. So we have 4 cats for now. We need 8. We need 4 more to finish. And we only have 2 fish left. So there's the green one.
Great!
Alright.
Perfect!
There's the brown
Excellent!
one.